The new Bivariate theme in Cadcorp SIS Desktop applies style settings by matching the result of two attributes against a lookup table of values. These can be individual values or a number of different ranges. A really good example of showing this is identifying the population sex split within lower super output area boundaries. So what you'll see in front of us is that we have an LSOA layer, and if I click on one of the polygons, what you'll see is if we go into properties, we have a count of the number of males that are within that particular polygon and the number of females. So what we want to do is we want to use a bivariate theme to show the split and the numbers of the individual sexes we have within each polygon. So what we can do is we can go to our LSOA and we can say that we want to add a theme, and we can click through, and then what you'll see as part of this style theme type, we've got this new bivariate theme. So I'm going to click next. So because it uses two variables, we have to identify the variables. So on the x-axis, we're going to say that we want to fill this, and because we've got numbers in this example, I'm going to say that we've got a number of ranges that we want to do. Obviously, you can choose individual values as well to identify the kind of analysis that you're after. So I'm going to say we want to create a range, and we're going to put our males across the x-axis. We're going to leave the number of ranges as 3, but what I'm going to do is going to say that we're also going to have an equal count, and click finish. And then we're going to do the same on the y-axis. So I'm going to fill this from a range using our females. Again, we're going to leave it by default as 3, but I'm going to say equal count, and I'm going to click finish again. And now that we've populated it, what you'll see is that it's automatically created as a theme that's been applied. So for example, lower males and lower females will be in the bottom left hand corner, and then higher males and higher females will be in the top right hand corner. So theoretically speaking, lower males but higher females top left, and then higher males, lower females will be bottom right. So what we can then do, once we've applied that, we can click finish, and now what we can do is we can see all of these kind of themes that have now been applied to show where we have these individual sex splits on the map. And then if we were to go into themes, we can go to the split and we can start to identify these individual values as well. So as you can see, it's a very good analytical tool for identifying a nice theme between two different values that might exist on the same data set.